Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode in Software Engineering and Salesforce. Doing another one of Martin Fowler's refactoring patterns today. And we are going to be talking about replacing a magic number with a symbolic constant. And I think magic numbers, magic strings, whatever, they're kind of one of those classic code smells you see all over the place. Certainly not restricted to Apex code bases by any stretch. But what it is, if we switch over to IntelliJ here, is we've got this, this is the example right out of Martin Fowler's book. We are calculating the potential energy of something. So we've got this, and it's our gravitational constant, and I only know that from Martin Fowler's book, 9.81. But from reading that, I can't tell what that is, what that's all about. And I mean, I think it's pretty easy to see how this applies to, more day-to-day problems, right? Imagine that's I don't know, sales tax, a discount, right? But it's just some integer, it's just some double floating around your code base. And the next programmer that sees that, well, he may not know what that number really represents. You might not know. If you're like me, you might not know what it really represents 3 months later, or heck, when you come back to work on Monday, what that number represents when you forget what you did before. So what we're going to do, we are going to get rid of the magic number and replace it with a constant. So all we have to do, this is so easy, we're going to say public static final double. All right, and we are just going to caps lock real quick. Gravitational constant, and that is going to equal, what did we have? 9.81, right? 9.81 semicolon, not 1.1, 9.81. There we go. All right, and let's hop on down to here, and let's whack that. We don't need that. Gravitational constant, drop that in, and huge win in readability, huge win. Next developer, yourself, you come along, you know exactly what's going on in that line of code, and we have gotten that magic number out of there and replaced it with a constant. Hope this is useful. I'll see everybody in the next video.